Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Colab and creating a new Python 3 notebook. Pick GPU or TPU in runtime to accelerate training. Next, mount your Google Drive so data and model checkpoints persist between sessions. Then, install any pip libraries at the top of the notebook and restart the runtime if required. Once done, verify package versions with import statements and print calls. This ensures reproducibility and avoids mysterious errors later. Now you implement the data pipeline and model code. Write separate cells for imports, data preprocessing, model definition, and the training loop to keep things modular. Use TF, Data or PyTorch data loader for efficient batching and augmentation. This reduces I/O bottlenecks. Start training with a small experiment to confirm shapes and loss behavior, then scale up. Make sure to save periodic checkpoints and enable TensorBoard or login. To finish, save the final model and artifacts to your mounted drive, export logs, and download anything you need locally. Then, clear large variables, call garbage collection, and unmount drive before ending the session to avoid orphan files. If you hit crashes or out-of-memory errors, reduce batch size or number of data workers, switch to a lighter model, or enable mixed precision. If training stalls, inspect gradients and learning rate. Often a single parameter tweak gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.